Hello, class of EDUU 570. My name is Giselle Garcia, and this is my journal number 2 for the course. In this week's journal, I will be discussing the role of culture in learning and teaching. I will also talk about why it's important to implement a complex understanding of culture in the classroom and what it involves. After reading the given paragraph and reading chapter 2 about culture, we can define that culture is the way a certain group or society communicates or understands other perspectives around the world and about themselves. The role of culture in learning and teaching is to ensure that every individual belongs to a certain culture group, that they feel included and receive a positive learning experience in the school environment. It is essential that the learning and teaching pertains to a student's background knowledge and that the teaching enables students to make connections and learn more about their own culture, other groups, and the world around them. The role of culture in learning and teaching can also affect students' behavior and students' achievement. Therefore, it is important that teachers teach students in different learning styles to give students the opportunity to strive and be better individuals of the community. As Bank mentioned, using a culture-responsive approach assists students to perpetuate shallow cultural analysis of learning and school achievement patterns. In the classroom, teachers are faced with a group of students from different diversities and cultures. That's why it is essential to implement a complex understanding of culture in the classroom. When teachers learn more about every individual and learn how to connect with them, then it makes it much easier for the student to be engaged in the classroom and in their learning. This also makes the student really feel cared for and accepted for who they are, as well as their values as individuals, without feeling that they are being prejudiced or that there are any stereotypes. This can involve teachers giving students a type in the classroom, like the type to give students the time to share their interests, their feelings, give them time to share stories with others, or encourage students to ask questions. It is also important that teachers provide students with surveys or inventories. This helps the teacher learn more about the students, and most of all, being very understandful of every individual and the life that they go through. This is all that I have for this week's journal. Thank you.